Alright, so I started reassembling the bike, and yeah, it's going good. I got the other bike taken apart, and I ended up powder coating the forks black and the cranks black too. I'm in the middle of putting the cranks on now. And then we'll get this thing going and go for a rip. So here's my old bike, and I've been riding this for almost 4 years now, the same setup, so it's about time to try something a little bit different. And I already have it here on the table, kind of mocked up, just kind of going through a couple things. These bars I got are a little bit taller than the ones I had on. So let's see if we can bring it down a little bit. I also swapped out stems too. Going from like a top load stem to a front load stem. So this is gonna help bring it down anyways. And the reach from the middle of the center of here to the center of the bars is a little bit shorter. I'm going with a 48 mil stem, and the old stem was a 53. So I'm going back 5 millimeters. Going back 5 millimeters. Just this little spacer here. Let's see. It looks like it might top out, flush out. I don't know. We'll see in a sec. As long as the stem is, the headset is tight. I don't want no slop in there with the bearings. Otherwise, I'll just throw the spacer back on. The easiest way to tell if you have play in your stem is to just simply turn it to the side and push the whole thing. Just rock it back and forth. If there's something loose, you will feel it in the headset, but it seems pretty tight. Straighten it out. Just tighten down these pinch bolts on the side of the stem. And that'll take care of the headset and stem. Feels good, looks good. Just gotta get the chain on, that's it. Bar ends, I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and the stickers. I think I'm gonna keep the bars where they are too. Feels pretty good, so I'll tighten these down. Personal preference, really. Just kind of put them where you feel like you want them. All right. Just gotta do the chain and turn up the back wheel. Should be good. All right, guys, I think that's pretty much it. All right, so overall, I'm completely stoked on this build. From the day I got this frame back in Texas a couple weeks back, I was able to get it off my friend. He found it in his attic, and I just had to have it. Shout out to Lex BMX, Alex from Texas. Thank you so much. Really pumped to get this thing together, fixed, repaired, painted, threw some stickers on it, and this thing rides amazing. Also, some of the specs on this frame. It's a 21-inch top tube, not really sure on the rear end. It's a FBM Take Ivy V1 in transparent raspberry. So it was an iconic color from way back then. I might have mentioned this in a video or two ago, but yeah, I'm stoked I was able to get this pretty much how it came off the shelf. And yeah, I hope this serves me well. I'm gonna ride it until it doesn't ride no more. Hopefully the crack holds up, the repair holds up. And yeah, pretty much stoked. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll get back to the car stuff in the next video. I'm done with the bike stuff for now. But yeah, back to the car stuff after this. Look at these stickers though. I made these off camera. I just kind of slapped them on. I'm waiting on like different decals to put on, but for the time being I need to put something on there. So I came up with a couple of these. Steezy does it. Peace.